follower of Christ is a disciple because we are seeking to be like him. The act of discipleship is training, teaching, and guiding another believer in his walk with Christ, so he can be filled with God's love and be fruitful. Discipleship is much like tending a garden, and it takes patience and persistence to help the plants grow. You must learn about each of your plants, water them daily, prune them, and guide them into the best life possible. It also takes discipline to guide others into the beautiful image of Christ. We are challenged to know people on a deeper level, are given a desire to experience more of Christ, and are inspired to use our gifts for the glory of God. The discipleship program at Union Gospel Mission takes a fragile person out of homelessness, addiction, and mental illness and transplants him into a new, life-giving, and fertile environment. One such man discovered that his past struggles with addiction and homelessness helped him identify with those around him. For him, discipleship is relational. Because of his own struggles and victories through Christ, he can offer encouragement and mentorship to his new friends. Discipleship is an opportunity for us to become better rooted in God and His Word, and a way for us to be reminded of our responsibility to be servants. It calls us to build each other up in beauty and truth, and it allows us to show others how good life can be.